Okay, what we have here is a gear, a tapered bronze gear that connects to the worm gear on this threaded rod inside this apron. Okay, this thing got stripped. It's 40-year-old lathe, and Rockwell, it's in a Rockwell lathe, doesn't make this anymore. So I had a friend of mine who's a machinist, excellent machinist. He made me a new gear, and I just got through installing it. I'm going to show you how it's working now. This controls the feed on the apron. As you can see, we've got steady feed. And let's do the cross feed. Oops, to get it in gear would help. There we go. Cross feed's now working fine also. Back to the longitudinal feed. And there you go. Got an old lathe still going.
This is why you'll see most guys chop their really hard.